Welcome back to Rolling Legends, the home of automotive excellence and the legends that define the road. Today, we're diving into the future of flagship luxury sedans of the 2026 Mercedes Benz S-Class. If you thought the S-Class had already peaked, think again. Mercedes has redefined refinement, pushing boundaries with tech, design, and performance like never before. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the 2026 S-Class retains its signature silhouette as sleek, commanding, and effortlessly elegant. But look closer, and the evolution becomes clear. The front fascia is sharper, with the more sculpted grille that flows seamlessly into the adaptive digital LED headlamps. Now more intelligent than ever, the body lines have been refined for better aerodynamics, with flush door handles and a cleaner profile that gives it an almost concept car aura. Every inch feels deliberate, every detail tuned to perfection. Under the hood, the S-Class continues to deliver power with grace. The S500 variant now features a re-engineered inline-six with hybrid assistance, pushing out around 450 horsepower. It's smooth, responsive, and eerily quiet, exactly what you'd expect from a car that represents the pinnacle of luxury. And for those craving more, the S5 and Maybach versions come with the V8 mild hybrid, delivering effortless acceleration while being more efficient than ever. The ride quality, as expected, is unmatched, thanks to the updated e-active body control and rear axle steering. This large sedan moves like a car half its size, gliding over imperfections and cornering with unexpected agility. Step inside, and it's a different world. The cabin of the 2026 S-Class is a masterclass in craftsmanship. Mercedes has doubled down on personalization, offering new materials, ambient lighting schemes, and even scent profiles. The dashboard is dominated by the second-gen Buck system, a massive OLED display that seamlessly merges infotainment, navigation, and vehicle controls. Voice commands are now more conversational, and the eye learns your preferences faster than ever. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with executive rear seating, a tablet-based command center, and immersive Burmester 4D audio. The backseat feels like a private jet. Safety and autonomy take a leap forward too. The S-Class now supports Level 3 autonomous driving in select regions, allowing hands-off cruising under certain conditions. Active safety systems have been enhanced, with predictive algorithms that adapt based on road behavior and driver history. Even the airbags have been reimagined, now including rear seat front airbags, a world first. The 2026 S-Class isn't just a car, it's a rolling sanctuary, a technological marvel, and a symbol of everything Mercedes-Benz stands for. It doesn't scream luxury, it whispers it, confidently and quietly. If the future of mobility is electric, intelligent, and refined, then this is the blueprint. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. If you're as impressed as we are by the 2026 S-Class, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive legends, and tell us in the comments, so would you take this over an electric alternative? Until next time, keep the wheels turning.